Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a skirt out of this plaid fabric. I'm starting out with a yard and a half of fabric and folding it over. I'm gonna place my pattern on top of it and start cutting. But before I do that, let me explain how I made this pattern. First, you're gonna take the measurements. This is how you do it. Take your waist measurement and the hip measurement at the fullest part of your hip. To figure out the length of the skirt, you're going to measure from the waist down to your knee and then decide where exactly you want the skirt to fall. So I'm making a shorter skirt because I'm going to wear it with boots, so I am going to keep it above my knee. I'm going to start with the pattern block. The top part of the skirt is going to be the half of the waist measurement plus seam allowance, which is about 1 inch, and then I'm also going to measure the distance between the waist and the hip and the hip measurement plus seam allowance. The rectangle of the skirt block is going to be the total length plus some seam allowance plus about 4 inches for finishing. Next, I'm going to connect the waist to the hip point in a curve and then extend it down to the bottom hem. How curvy this is going to be depends on, of course, your measurement. If you have a curtain belly like me, add another inch at the front. Or if your assets are in the back, then make sure that you have additional ease to fit the peaches. 4 inches from the center line, I'm going to add about 4.5 inch darts. Okay, so the pattern block was done. I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to actually keep some extra fabric in the front to accommodate my belly. I'm ready to take the scissors to the fabric now. As a first step, I've serged the edges of both the front and the back, and I've marked where the dots are going to be in the front and the back. I wanted my skirt to be lined, so I had this pink lining fabric already in my stash. I am cutting out the exact same size as the front and the back pieces. First step of sewing is to put in the darts. These are the front darts and the back darts are also in. I've repeated the darts on the lining fabric as well, and I've made sure that the dart measurements match up front to the front, back to the back. Once the darts are done, I've closed out the side of the skirt, and on one side I've left this 8-inch opening for the zipper. Now I find zippers very intimidating, but to be honest, it was not that hard because I basted the slit shut first, sewed the zipper on top of it, and then I opened it up. So basically I cheated. First, I made sure that the zipper is exactly the size of the slit, and I put a safety pin marking the end of the zipper so it doesn't open up on me while I'm sewing it. I unzipped the zipper and I carefully lined up the seam with the zipper, keeping the middle very carefully aligned. I sewed it down like so. Towards the end of the zipper, I put in some extra stitches, and then I closed the zipper and flipped it around to sew the other side. And then carefully removed all the basting stitches and opened the zipper up. And this cheat code really made it so much easier to put in the zipper. Okay, now I'm going to sew the lining in. I've already put the darts in for the lining. I'm going to match up the front and the back right sides together and close at the top, because that is where the lining and the outside fabric are going to be connected. When we get to the portion where the zipper is, I'm going to sandwich the zipper between the lining and the front, and I'm going to sew it. Next, I'm going to pop the corners out and make sure that the zipper teeth are all aligned and everything looks perfect. I also did an understitch just to make sure that the lining stays down. Then I took it to the ironing board, ironed out everything nice and neat, and then finished the bottom hem. At this point, I tried the skirt on and measured where the length should end. So I basted that by hand and finished it. The lining hem I did on the machine because that is going to be on the inside, so the zipper looks pretty neat from the inside and the outside, and the skirt is now ready. I think it looks very nice and neat. I'm styling it with this beaded shirt and this oversized sweater, this boho bag and gold boots. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!